And then from here, draw tiny little circles with the arms. You're going to go both directions. You can go either forward or backwards, but very, very tiny circles. You don't have to go very, very fast. But what I really want you to do is feel that connection from the thumb to the front of the shoulder. I'm just going to leave the anatomy talk out of it. And you're going to reach the back of the shoulder to the little finger. And let that intention be what actually moves you. So you're not just lifting your arms and letting them hang out there, but rather you're using all of the muscles of the entire upper body to do this action. It should be way harder than it needs to be. Come up onto your elbows here. So you're in Sphinx. Good. Find that same connection. Feel how your inner and outer elbow connect to the floor. Good. And then without shifting anything over, just stretch your right arm straight out in front of you. Don't let your body shift to the left. So you're going to have to use your legs, yes, but you're really going to have to use the muscles of the left arm and the left erectors as well. Nice. That's not doable, then imagine it. Imagining it is better than just going through the motions. Nice. Or you can do like what Elaine's doing and she has her hand on the ground, which is a little bit of help. And then bring that hand down, set yourself up, and get ready for the other side. Notice the sides are different. Learn something here about yourself. Is there a side that you favor? When you're ready, stretch the arm out if you haven't yet. Or imagine it. If you're not doing it and you're imagining it, can you still feel what has to happen? And then bring that arm down and rest. Just make a pillow with your hands. Turn your head to one side. Push back into a child's pose. Just kidding, come onto your forearms. Stretch one leg back and then the other. Forearm plank. And stretch your right arm forward. Or imagine it. Or imagine it. Because it's really not about doing it, it's just about understanding and learning. So imagine it. You can even lay on your back and imagine all of this. And then bring that hand back. Rest if you need to. Switch sides. Take your time. If you're resting, just join us. Otherwise, switch sides. Again, imagine it if you need to. You notice how hard one side is compared to the other? I know they're both hard, but you're very, very different. Bring the hand down, nice, Elaine, and rest, child's pose.